So guys, if any of you are using a car seat in the rear here, I want to share something with you that's, I think, much needed. It's one thing I experienced when I put my son's car seat in here. It's just going to make your life so much easier. Okay, so fits a lot better here with this seat, like I showed you, but there's a piece here that without it was very frustrating. So if you look at where this latch is, okay, you can even see it there, but the seat belt latch is so deep inside these seats and they don't really come up. I thought you could just pull them up, but they don't. They're just really tight in there. It's not like this center seat here. So I picked up this extension here that'll make it so much easier when you're strapping your kid in, because that's almost impossible doing it from that side. You can't even find it. And the seat kind of covers it a little bit, and this is not even a wide seat. So these things just pop in and they add some extension. You could get them a little bit bigger even if you need it taller, but this works perfect. Okay, so if you see here, if you're trying to do that from the outside, you can barely even see it. It's so frustrating. So by adding this, it keeps it that much higher. Then you can easily just feel for it and it goes right in. And like I said, you can get them a little bit taller too, like 2 inches taller than this. And you just snap in there. This has been a lifesaver for me. So if you guys have a car seat, one like this, not necessarily one for like an infant, but it's so much easier to do by buying the seatbelt extender. Just search for them on Amazon or eBay, really cheap, but they're really useful. Like, that's the one design I don't like, is how deep these things are in there, because you can't even find it. If the seat shifts at all, it covers it, and then you're trying to have your kid in the seat, try to strap them in, you have to kind of move the seat. It's a pain. This will always keep it outside the seat like that. So just by feel, you can just snap the car seat in. So it's really useful. For a couple bucks, guys, I would definitely pick it up. If you have this car, you probably know what I'm talking about. If you don't have them, it's very hard to do. Makes it a lot easier, okay? I appreciate it, guys. Hope that helps you out. I'll catch you guys in the next video.